It's Tuesday, March 28th, and I have a couple fun new things to show you. I hope you'll love them. You know, we get a new colorway every month from Baah Yarns out of California, and she sends us her 100% merino superwash La Jolla, which is fingering weight yarn, and it is 400 yards. This color is beautiful. This is April 2023. This is beautiful. Talk about an Easter egg, honestly. Peach, rosy pink, yellow, mint, lime green, sort of a pretty, it's not even gray, it's just beautiful. This is a beautiful yarn. It would make a spectacular shawl. You could run it with a mohair. It would be gorgeous. If we had a peachy mohair, oh man, gorgeous. Fabo. So this is April 23 and it is $36 a skein. Beautiful. Then from the Lazadas, the people that do, the gal who does, from Israel, who does the circular or the flexible blocking wires. I have new blocking wires that come in a tin now. They are fabulous. But she also has introduced these stitch markers, which are very fun. This one is knit two together or slip, slip, knit. So it's a reminder when you come to those raglan sleeves that it's a knit two together or a slip, slip, knit. Love these. This is $10. And these are great if you had to do something every 10 stitches or you had to cast on 100 stitches. These are all numbered 10 through 90. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So this is awesome when you're casting on gazillion stitches, right? Or you're counting or whatever. So these two are very fun. This one is 16. So 16 and 10. Love those stitch markers from Lazadas. And then this yummy, 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 yummy yarn. So beautiful. I just am kind of at a loss for words today. I'm not thinking of anything that I need to tell you about. Got the Christmas stocking thing that I told you about last night. I'm really excited about that. Please sign up for that class. It will be amazing, and you will be so happy to have those two fabulous, or one fabulous stocking and enough to make another one. Those pins I showed you, to die for. Everything's great. My finger, praise God, stopped hurting yesterday. Prayers were answered. Stopped hurting yesterday. It is, I still know it's there, but it is not. So if you prayed for my finger, thank you. It helped. And I am on the mend. Thank the Lord. It's all good. I heard about a new book today, and I've got to go get it. It was just released. It's called Love Stories. I think I have to go buy it. And it's written by an Australian gentleman, and I can't think of his name, but he was interviewed on NPR today. Cannot wait to read this. He sat on the street corner for 8 hours and stopped and had a billboard and asked people to tell him a love story. And they talked about their dogs, or they talked about their spouses, or they talked about a friend, or they talked about somebody else. This man was so compelling. I cannot wait to read it. I'm pretty sure it's called Love Stories, released today. All right, I'm going to get it. We'll talk about it later. Have a nice evening.